Hi, this is Christy from Bay Photo. We're so excited about our new epic prints. The max resolution and unrivaled clarity provide image quality that is off the charts. Honestly, they're just something you have to see to believe. So let's watch as our customer Omar Gonzalez opens up his first epic print and get his reaction firsthand.
It's here. Hey guys, Omar here. And remember we did that shoot with the GFX and we shot the cool skyline of New York and I said this? My goal is to make one print and hang it up in my hallway with the GFX file. So that's another reason I'm out here. So I had the idea, where can I get a super high definition print, a large high definition print to put up on the wall? And my first thought was Bay Photo. I called Bay Photo real quick to see if they wanted to partner up and provide a print of the GFX high definition monster, and they said yes. I've used Bay Photo for years for my professional work, for prints, for clients, and I have Bay Photo prints all over the house. Bay Photo, Bay Photo, Bay Photo, Bay Photo, not Bay Photo, Bay Photo, Bay Photo. Now remember, the GFX is 100 megapixels, and if we zoom in on the computer, we could see little windows, we could see wires, which is amazing. And so I want to see how that translates into a print. Now, why get a print that is high definition? Well, it always depends on your viewing distance. And I feel like for most of us, we always want to look closer. You know, a viewing distance of a couple of meters, you could use like a 6 megapixel image. It doesn't really matter if the distance is correct. But we're gonna walk right up to this print and look right at it. Let's open it up. Well, this is the coolest unboxing angle I've ever done. You guys get to see it first. I can't see it. These are pretty tough prints. You can wipe them down with like, a microfiber cloth. But I always say they're not dog proof, cat proof, or toddler proof. So you can scratch them because in reality, there is no unscratchable surface. Guys, I just found a person in here. Ready? That little window right there. You see that person right there? Oh my gosh. Guys, that person was in this little window right here. Pixel Peeper's dreams. Epic prints, epic prints. The epic prints have 4 times the resolution than a regular print, and you can print them up to like 610 DPI. And they're printed on Fujiflex crystal archive photographic paper. This is done a little different. What they do here for the epic print is the print is actually printed on photographic paper and mounted onto 2 different options. You could either mount it on an aluminum composite, or you can print it right on a piece of metal. And then the print is laid on top of this substrate, and then a super high gloss or a satin finish to protect the print is laid on top and lasered. So they don't really do that, I just made that up. All right, so cost, how much is this gonna set you back? I'll tell you the cost and then give you some alternatives in case you have sticker shock. But remember, this is a super premium product for those of you that want to show your work in the best possible light. So the print itself costs $360 for this 30 by 40. And then about 30 and change for the mounting options. Now, those of you on a budget, there's a couple of cool budget options that Bay Photo has. I have one in my office you've seen 1,000 times over here. This is what's called an exposer print, and it's actually a paper print that you can change out if you want to. I've never changed it out because I love it. But that cityscape right there is a piece of paper, like a very thick paper, and it's on a mounting system that stretches out, and you can put it on the wall, and it also floats off the wall. What's cool is that you can change that guy out. The print quality is amazing. The colors are amazing on that print. And that guy cost, how much does that guy cost? So that print, a 20 by 30, the same as the Epic print of the exposer, would only cost you 129 bucks to display. And what's cool is that includes the mounting system. And if you wanted to change the printout, another 30 by 40 is only $90. So you can kind of change out your print every so often, your large 30 by 40 print. Now, if you're even more budget, you can get a photographic print that looks like an Epic print. This is a metallic paper. And if you mount it on their 2mm styrene, here you have like these little mounting options. You can mount this on the wall as well. So print your work, guys, print your work. Thank you, Bay Photo, for hooking us up with an Epic print, and I'll see you guys next time.
And it's not just Omar who's blown away by the quality of these prints. Customers all over the country are unboxing Epic prints. So head over to bayphoto.com to place your order or chat with us online. Our team is ready and standing by to answer any questions you may have. And I'll see you there.